Hello everyone and welcome to this course called Azure Administrator Associate AZ-103. Now, as the title suggests, this course is meant to fully prepare you to successfully pass the AZ-103 exam and get the Azure Administrator Associate certification from Microsoft. Now, this is the first video of the course, and in this video, we are going to talk about the course overview, what you should expect from the course, what you will get from the course, the necessary prerequisites in order for you to go through the course, and of course about the AZ-103 exam. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Cristian Călinescu, and I am going to be your instructor for this course. I've been working in IT for more than 10 years now. I am currently a infrastructure security operations manager. I'm also a senior infrastructure security engineer, and I've been involved in many projects in regards to infrastructure and Azure. Now, I am certified by Microsoft on several server technologies like Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2012 R2. I am also Microsoft an MCSE certified for cloud platform and infrastructure. Also, I am a certified ethical hacker, but the most relevant one for this course, I am a Microsoft certified Azure Solutions Architect expert. So that being said, let's take a look at an overview of what we are going to cover in this course. I want to tell you from the start that this course has been created and designed, and it strictly follows the Microsoft official training preparation for the AZ-103 exam, and it covers all the study areas from the exam. And of course, you will also have available labs, hands-on demonstration in the videos, and so on. So let's see what we're going to cover in the course. So first of all, this is the introduction section. This one isn't going to count. So basically section 1 will be the Azure administration section, in which we are going to cover Azure Portal and Azure Cloud Shell, Azure PowerShell and CLI, Azure Resource Manager, and ARM templates. Then we are going to get into Azure Virtual Machines in the next section, and we're going to cover virtual machine planning, creating virtual machines, and virtual machine availability. In the following section, we are going to talk about Azure storage, and that is the storage accounts, blob storage, Azure files, and storage security. In the next section, we are going to get into virtual networking, where we'll cover virtual networks, IP addressing and endpoints, and Azure DNS, and of course, network security groups. Now, the section that will follow will be in regards to Intersite Connectivity, and here we'll discuss about VNet peering, VNet to VNet connections, and Azure Express Route. Then we are going to go into Azure Monitoring, and here we'll cover Azure Monitor, Azure Alerts, Log Analytics, and Network Watcher. Then data protection. We're talking about here about data replication, Azure backup, and virtual machine backups, of course. Then we're going to go into the next section, which covers network traffic management, network routing here, Azure Load Balancer, and Azure Traffic Manager. And then in the section to follow, we'll discuss about Azure Active Directory, about Azure AD Connect and Azure AD Join. Then about securing identities. Here we'll cover multi-factor authentication, Azure AD Identity Protection, and self-service password reset. Then we'll get into governance and compliance, subscription and accounts here, role-based access control, RBAC, users and groups, and Azure policy. Then we'll discuss about data protection. Here we'll go into further depth into data replication, Azure backup, and virtual machine backups. And of course about data services. This would be the last section. And here we'll discuss about content delivery network, file sync, and import, export, and data box, of course. Now, as you can see, I've outlined the course to strictly follow the Microsoft's official outline for the AZ-103 exam. So, what would be the prerequisites necessary for this course? I'm talking here about basic understanding first of all, so you can have a feeling of what I'm talking about. So this would be all of these bullet points would be just basic understanding on this, and this would be a basic understanding of on-premises virtualization technologies like VMs, virtual networking, and virtual hard disks, and of course PowerShell. Basic understanding of network configuration, and here I'm talking about TCP/IP, DNS, VPNs, firewalls, and a high-level overview of encryption technologies, and a basic understanding of Active Directory. This is the on-premises Active Directory, and here where I'm referring to domains, forests, domain controllers, replication, Kerberos, which is the AD authentication protocol, and LDAP. And last but not least, basic understanding of network of resilience and disaster recovery, which include backup and restore operations. Now let's have a look at the labs and the review questions. So very important. You will have at the end of each section, starting from section 2, at the end of each section you will have available a lab and review questions in the form of quiz. Now the lab. The lab is designed to basically help you practice hands-on all the topics that were covered in that specific section at your own pace, even when you're not watching the videos. So for the labs, you will also have available TXT files with absolutely step-by-step instructions to complete the labs. And for the more complex labs where you have to deploy, for example, an environment, I don't know, like two back-end virtual machines, two front-end virtual machines, a load balancer, and so on, you will also have available ARM templates in the form of JSON files, which will basically help you deploy the entire environment by just a few clicks. Now, in the next, in the last video of this section, I'm going to do a live demonstration on how you can complete a lab, how to use the ARM templates and JSON files and the parameters as well. So that being said, guys, let's begin. Let's get into the course. The next video from this introductory section will discuss about the AZ-103 exam, the expected learning, what you should expect to learn after taking the course, about the exam, about the study areas that are required by Microsoft for the AZ-103 certification, and of course, which the course fully covers. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and let's get in.